Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. The first way to crop a video is to go over to the Effects panel and type Crop into the search box. Then drag the crop effect onto your clip. With your clip selected, go over to Effect Controls, where you'll see your crop effect settings. Drag any of the directional sliders to the side to increase the amount that's cropped. This works well, but let's undo this so I can show you how to animate the crop. To animate the crop, click the stopwatch next to the direction you want to crop. Then, move the playhead to where you want the crop animation to be completed. Finally, increase the amount of the crop to your liking. Now, you have a smooth crop animation. Next, I'll show you the second way to crop a video. For this method, we won't need the crop effect. Instead, find Opacity and Effect Controls, where you'll see the Freeform Pen tool. I recommend zooming out of your preview to about 10%. Click just outside your video to create 4 points, making a rectangle. This method gives you the freedom to crop at any angle, allowing you to create a diagonal crop that isn't possible with the standard tool. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.